What are you doing? Did you get in the dryer and now you're stuck? Oh! Are you stuck? I got in here, but now I can't get out. I don't know what to do. Oh, oh, are you stuck? That's not a good way to go. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Do you need some help? Do you want a hand? Oh, hang on. It's okay. You're okay. See, that worked okay. CeeLo. You're so silly. Are you the silliest cat? Yeah.